Hey guys, welcome back to Joseph Motors. This is our YouTube channel. We want to add another vehicle that we've got. It's a 2013 4x4. This is a 4-door short bed 2500. This is a really nice truck, really rare truck. It's only got 61,000 miles on it. 6.0 liter Vortec that's in it. Super nice BFGs. That's an all-terrain BFG. That's going to have the Kevlar sidewalls that are on it. It's got nice side steps down the side of it. Spray-in bed liner. It's got the rail caps on top of it. The truck's really straight and clean. Nice tow package in the back. No dents, dings. There's a few little minor scratches down the side of it, but you know, it's age of the unit, not anything that's surprising. This is a cloth, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course ice cold AC, full drive in the floor there for the shifter, rubber floor mats. Just a really nice unit. Got any further questions on this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886. My name is Nick Watson, Joseph Motors. Please visit us at josephmotorsnc.com. Have a great day.